Hi everyone, it's Chloe from Bullet Journal by Chloe, and today I'm going to show you how to customise the box that comes with your journal. I'll be using the traveller size box, but you can use any box that you like. You will need a box, a glue stick, a pen, I'm using a acrylograph, some washi tape, some paper and some scissors. To start off with, I'm gluing the top of the box and I'm going to stick down a sheet of white paper. The reason I'm doing this is because the washi tape that I have chosen is quite see-through, so you'd see the design that's already on the box underneath it. So I'm covering that over using a piece of paper and then I'll start adding the washi tape on top. Using your chosen washi tape, you're now going to cover the whole box using strips. You don't have to cover the box using washi tape, you could just draw straight onto the white piece of paper. Or you could decide to paint on it, it's completely up to you. But I'm going to be using washi tape to add some colour to my box. Once you've finished this, you can either chop the excess pieces of washi tape off using a pair of scissors and stick down the tiny bits that are hanging off over the edge, or you can simply just push all of it down. You don't have to chop it off, it's completely up to you. Now my box is completely covered, I'm going to start designing what I would like it to say on it. I'm going to have my name, Bullet Journal by Chloe, written on the front of the box. First of all, I'm going to do a sketch in pencil and then I will go in using pen. I'll be using the acrylographs on my box. A little tip with the acrylographs you might be able to see as I've just done the bee there. As they go over the overlapping washi tape, sometimes they do cause like a little splash effect just where it's getting caught, so make sure you're extra careful using your acrylographs. Also, make sure you give enough time for it to dry. Because it's on top of the washi tape, it might take a little bit longer to dry than normal. To keep with the arch and olive theme, I'm going to add some floral design patterns to my box at the top and on the bottom as well. And that's it, my custom box is complete. As you can see, I went in and added a little bit more details onto the box, and I can now store all my stationery in this box. If you give it a go, make sure to tag me, Bullet Journal by Chloe and Archer and Olive, so we can see your creations. Thanks, and I'll see you again. Bye!